Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is fifth question of its exercise 5.2. So the question says that find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from. So firstly हम एक रफ क्लॉक बना लेंगे यहाँ पे 12/0 3 6 9 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 and 11. So part A is 3 to 6. So 3 to 6. यहाँ से यहाँ तक हमें find the number of right angles turned through by our hand. So 3 to 6 हमें one right angle move करना होगा. So the answer is one right angle. 2 to 8. So 2 to 8. So ये complete हो जाएगा हमारे पास 180 degree means oblique 90 degree. यहाँ हो जाएगा 2 right angle oblique 180 degree. Part C is 5 to 11. So यहाँ हमारा 5 then 11. So complete 180 degree rotate कर रहे हैं हम. So same हो जाएगा 2 right angle means 180 degree. 10 to 1. So 10 to 1 ये हो जाएगा हमारा this angle. So हो जाएगा 1 right angle oblique 90 degree. 12 to 9. So this one is 270 degree or 3 right angle. Part F is 12 to 6. So this is complete a half revolution means 2 right angle oblique 180 degree. Thank you.